everybody, welcome to A Rumor of Stitches. My name is Janice, and you can find me on Instagram and YouTube and everywhere else as Killer Queen 2485. That is my gamer tag on Xbox, and I've had it forever, so that's what I made everything. Okay, let's see. A little bit about me. I am 52 years old. I am a mother of 4. I have been married for 36 years. I have 4 grandchildren, and let's see, my children are 35, 28, 25, and my youngest just turned 20 a couple of days ago. So I have no more teenagers. They're all adults. Yeah. Okay. I'm an RN. I work night shift at a hospital. So when I'm at home, I'm usually asleep or I'm awake during the night. That's why I make my videos at night. And the lighting is probably going to suck because I don't have any fancy equipment or anything. This is all being done on an iPhone. Yeah, so that's me. 52, grandmother of 4, mother of 4, RN nurse. Yeah, this year has been tough, but we're getting through it. We're getting over it. I did work COVID through the pandemic, off and on. I started out when the pandemic first hit. Then I moved to a different hospital, and for a little while, I wasn't on a COVID floor. But as the numbers grew, our numbers grew, and now the numbers are almost to 0 of the admitted ones in our hospital. So that's awesome. I'm not going to talk about politics. I'm not going to talk about religion. I'm not going to talk about my work. I'm just giving you a background of who I am. I'm a maker. I am an artist. I am a sewist. I am a seamstress. I knit, crochet, cross stitch, tat, anything that you can do with your hands, I make it. Haven't got into metalwork or pottery yet, but I do spin. I do dye yarn. I don't sell anything that I make. It's for my own personal use. Yeah, so that's me. If you have any questions or want to know anything specific, drop me a question. I'll do a Q&A sometime later on when I get enough questions built up. I'm new to the YouTube thing. I know everybody's like flooding with videos and everything, but not me. I'm new to it. This channel is probably going to be a hot mess. So thanks for coming along on the ride. If you don't want to hear about everything under the sun crafting, or if you just want to hear about this or that, look at my video names. I will have specific tutorials, like when I get my spinning wheel back out, I will be doing spinning. When I dye my yarn, I'll be doing dyeing. When I'm quilting, I'll be doing quilt related videos. I'm about to film a tutorial about the cathedral window quilt, and that'll be coming out right after this introductory video does. That'll be the next one I do. I say a lot. and I pause a lot. So it makes my videos longer than they should be. I don't really do a whole lot of editing. But the editing I do, I'll put at the end, like the blooper stuff. There's some cute stuff. Not from me. But like my husband walking by and he's tiptoeing. I'm like, it's okay. I can edit all this stuff out. And it's just funny. To me, it's funny. I'll put it on the end if you don't like it. You can just switch it off when I say bye. Let's see. Made some notes, so let me look at my notes right quick. Let's see. Oh, live in Alabama, work in Georgia, but in a year I'm moving back to Memphis, Tennessee. That's Memphis, Tennessee, South Haven, Mississippi, that area right there. It's all really one area. I live in Alabama for a specific reason. This will take a couple of minutes, so if you don't really care, you can skip over this part. My son was 16 years old when he graduated from high school, and he wanted to go to college. So we're like, okay, find a college to go to. He started at Northwest Mississippi Community College. Just so happened the campus was right across the street from where we lived. So he went there for his first year. He was still 16 when his first year was over. And he wanted to go into computer engineering. Well, where we live, even Ole Miss, my alma mater, computer engineering was not a thing. You couldn't take the courses together. You had to take computer something and engineering separate. So told him to find a college, go ahead and do some applications, see if you could even get in. He did. He got into 2 different schools, University of Idaho and Washington State. They are on top of a mountain on the state line. They're 8 miles apart in 2 different states. It was crazy. We decided we were going to take him and let him go to school there. We packed all of our stuff, put it in a storage unit that ships everywhere. They're common. Had our stuff shipped there. We followed. We were there 2 weeks. He didn't like either school. And you say, well, why did you pack up? He was 16. He couldn't go by himself. He had to have an adult. I'm a nurse. I can go anywhere. So my thing was, I'll take you. We'll go. Your dad's retired. We can do whatever we want to. He's the baby. Of course, he gets spoiled. And 2 weeks later, we were on our way back, shipping our belongings back down south. And on the way back down south, he was looking for another college to be accepted to. He got accepted to Auburn University in Alabama. And because you have to have a proof of residency, I had to have a address here and I had to get a job here to prove that we were going to stay here. So that's how we ended up in Alabama. Still live in Alabama, but now I work in Georgia. He is in his last little bit of school. He just turned 20. Yeah, we've been living here for over 3 years. And we can't wait to get back to Memphis and South Haven. Okay, so that's my introduction video. That's who I am. The next one you see, you will see me making something. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you want to follow this adventure. And thank you. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.